Malawi today.
So today is the last day that I'll be doing a management meeting at the Ministry of Agriculture. For the last 3 years, I've been in this office, in this room, serving the president, serving Malawians to improve the agriculture sector. And we've done a lot of things over these past 3 years, where we've seen the revision as well as introduction of new policies. We've also taken bills to Parliament. We've achieved a lot through that. We've also seen an increase in funding in agriculture activities. Irrigation has been on the increase. What I'm very proud of is the fact that a lot of Malawians are now have embraced the spirit of commercial farming. And we're going to see a lot of people investing in commercial agriculture that I'm very proud of. We've seen the introduction of the Mega Farm Support Unit. We've also seen the restructuring of the subsidy program, where we are transitioning people to commercial farming, things that will help this country to develop. I can go on and on and on to explain some of the great achievements, but what I will live to remember for the rest of my life is the privilege to serve the President, Dr. Lazarus McCarthy Chakwera. Being appointed to be the Minister of Agriculture out of 20 million Malawians, it's something that I can never take for granted, and I will never take for granted. I will be grateful forever. It's an honor for me as an individual, for my family, my wife and I and children, and also for extended family, both for my parents, Professor Winston Kawale, as well as Reverend Fletcher Kaya. Both sides of the family, we are truly grateful for this privilege. We look forward to continue to serve the President and Malawians in other roles that God is going to place us. One thing that I need to explain is that this has been a ministry. God has called us to serve Malawians in this capacity as a Minister of Agriculture. We've served God in other places before this, and at this particular time in our lives, He allowed us to serve Him in this capacity. Moving forward, we will serve God and the President in any capacity that will come our way. But being here, I'm short of words to explain my gratitude and the privilege that I had just to be where I am. So we'll see you in the next phase of life. Thank you.